Greetings from NORCM Academy, and in today's video, we're going to discuss in a very brief way what is a moving average and how traders use it. Please keep in mind that this video is only for educational and informational purpose only. We are now watching the MT5 trading platform by NCM Investment. So the chart that you're seeing is switched on daily time frame, and we're looking at XAU USD trading pair, which is gold. It's very simple. We go to insert, indicators, then you go to trend. After you go to the trend, select moving average, and we would keep the settings just for the sake of demonstration to period 50. The method is exponential. Just hit the OK button. Thickness is switched to level 2. So the moving average is now plotted on the chart. Now, long-term traders, they usually use the moving average on a daily time frame, and short-term traders, they use it either on 1 hour, 30 minutes, or 15 minutes chart. It's very simple. Most of the time, the most classical and easy way is when you see any asset class, its price closes above the moving average, then that asset is considered to be bullish or switching its momentum to upwards direction. And if you see the asset class from its highs closing below the 50 exponential moving average, the asset is considered to be switching to the bearish mode or towards a downward direction. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helps. If you have any comments, please feel free to contact us or leave your comments below. Have a great day. Bye-bye.